Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to write and test your very first regular expression pattern. Regular expressions can seem intimidating at first, but by the end of this video, you will have a foundational understanding of how to create and use them. So, what exactly is a regular expression? At its core, a regular expression is a sequence of characters that defines a search pattern. These patterns are used to match character combinations in text. Think of it as a powerful way to find, extract, or replace specific text within a larger document or string. Let's explore some of the most basic, yet powerful components of regular expressions. First, we have the dot. The dot is a wildcard that matches any single character. It can stand in for any letter, number, symbol, or even white space. Then we have the asterisk. The asterisk is a quantifier that matches 0 or more occurrences of the character or group that precedes it. It allows you to find patterns that may or may not be present in the text. Now, let's create your first regular expression pattern. We'll start with something simple, the word hello. This pattern will literally match the exact word hello, with the lowercase h-e-l, l, and o in that specific order. It is case-sensitive, so hello or hello will not be matched by this pattern. Now that you have a pattern, it's time to test it. Here's how you can do it using Python. First, you need to import the re module, which is Python's built-in regular expression library. Then, you define your pattern as the string hello. Next, you define the text you want to search within. In this case, it is the string hello world. Finally, use the research function to check if the pattern exists within the text. If it does, it will print match found. What if you want to match hello regardless of whether it's in uppercase, lowercase, or mixed case? Before, the pattern hello only matches the lowercase hello. To make it case-insensitive, you can use the re-ignore case flag. Now it will match hello, hello, and even hello. Let's look at a complete example of how to use regular expressions with the case-insensitive flag. First, import the re module. Then, set the pattern to hello, and the text to hello world. Say hello to Regex. Now use the re-find-all function with the re-ignore case flag to find all case-insensitive matches of hello in the text. The output will be a list containing hello and hello. Here are the key things to remember from this video. Start with simple literal patterns when learning regular expressions. Begin with matching exact words or phrases. Use research to check if a pattern exists, and re-find-all to find all occurrences of a pattern in a given text. These are fundamental tools for working with regular expressions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.